The life expectancy of a servo-controlled voltage stabilizer can vary depending on factors such as the quality of the stabilizer, operating conditions, and maintenance practices. Generally, these stabilizers can last anywhere from 10 to 15 years with proper maintenance. Factors that can affect the life expectancy of servo-controlled voltage stabilizer include 1. Insulation. Quality. The quality of the insulation material plays a significant role in determining the lifespan of the transformer. 2. Loading patterns. Consistent overloading can accelerate the aging process of the transformer. 3. Cooling fans and ventilation. Ensure the cooling fans and ventilation systems are functioning correctly to avoid overheating. 4. Tightening connections. Regularly check and tighten any loose connections to maintain optimal performance. 5. Temperature. Higher operating temperatures can accelerate the aging process of the oil. 6. Moisture. The presence of moisture can degrade the oil and reduce its insulating properties. 7. Contaminants. Particles and other contaminants can affect the performance and longevity of the oil. 8. Oxidation. Exposure to oxygen can cause the oil to oxidize, leading to the formation of acids and sludge. 9. Environmental conditions. Harsh environmental conditions, such as high humidity, temperature fluctuations, and pollution, can reduce the lifespan of the transformer. To ensure a longer lifespan, it's essential to follow regular maintenance practices, such as 1. Maintenance. Regular maintenance and monitoring can help extend the life of the transformer by identifying and addressing potential issues early. 2. Regular inspections. Check for any dents, cracks, or damage, and ensure the voltage output is stable. 3. Cleaning. Keep the stabilizer clean and free from dust and debris to prevent overheating. By ensuring proper maintenance and operating the servo-controlled voltage stabilizer within its rated parameters, you can help maximize its lifespan.